So hi guys, welcome to Vince tutorial. So for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo yung mga data types ng Python. So data types in Python guys is sobrang dami. So tatalakayin lang natin yung string data types, integer data types, and floating or float data types. So yan yung ating tatalakayin ngayon guys. String in Python guys is a sequence of Unicode characters that may be a combination of letters, numbers, and special symbols. To define a string in Python, you can enclose the string in matching single or double quotes. So first example guys is we use double quote. So we put a string inside the double quote. So example, I am a string. So I am a string guys yung ilalagay natin. First example natin guys is yung string natin is naka-enclose in double quotes. So second example natin guys is print. So yung gagamitin natin is yung string na single string lang. So let's print inside the string. So we put I am a string inside in single quote. So ito guys yung ipiprint niya yung inside the double quote. So yung string, dadagdagan lang natin yung ating double quote guys ng I am a string inside the double in a double quotation. So para mas malinaw po sa atin na yung ating string po is naka-consist of 2 and 1 double quote. So let's run this program. So if we run this program, so we can see it is the same result guys. Mag-iba lang yung nilagay natin na close pero same lang yung result nila. So yan yung string natin enclosed in single quotation and double quotation. So now guys, let's go to integer. So integer are whole number without decimal points. They can be positive or negative as long as they don't contain decimal point. So for example, so we put a variable here. So a ang ating yung variable equals to integer which is itong 23 na whole number. So whole number is integer. So second variable is b equals to integer which is 15. So 2 integer because they don't contain decimal point. So let's print this. So we calculate this 2 variable. So inside the parentheses a plus b. So we calculate the 2 variables and their value are whole number. So pag yung dalawa na yan is para natin, yung result niya is integer pa rin, whole number. So 23 plus 15 is equals 38. Let's try to calculate this using different arithmetic operation which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And let's try to run this program. So as you can see guys, there are 3 whole numbers and 1 na merong decimal. So yan yung tinatawag natin na floating point numbers or float. So guys, punta naman tayo sa float or sa floating point number. So float are written in decimal point. So as you can see, we have x variable and y variable consist of two numbers that have decimal point. So tinatawag silang float kasi may decimal point sila. So we try to put comment here. So this is integer and this is float para ma-identify natin kung ano yung kakaibahan nila. Let's try to print or calculate this. So x plus y, don't forget to close the parentheses. So as you can see guys, 5.0 yung result kasi float siya. So we try to print or to put space. So we put empty string. So ayan, may space na siya. So 5.0 yung sagot niya kasi 1.5 plus 3.5 is 5.0. So we try to put label here. So we print this is integer. So this is now a string. So pag pinaran natin yung program is may label na siya para madali nating maintindihan saan yung integer at saan yung floating number. So ayan, pag-ipara natin, sorry nakalimutan kong lagyan ng quotation. So if we run this, so ayan, alam na natin kung saan yung integer at saan yung floating number. So let's try to add or let's try to calculate this and different arithmetic operation. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So if you run this, so we can get floating point number as a result. So as you can see, all is floating point number. We have another data types in Python which is called Boolean. Boolean is comparison in Python can only generate one or two possible responses, which is true or false. So tinatawag siyang Boolean kasi true or false lang yung kanyang result.